Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Another quote to help try and kickstart your day, and here are those words of wisdom. I can. If you were to hold your arm out and just hold it there still, with someone pushing it down as you continue to say, I can't, your arm will start to drop. Do the same while repeating, I can, and your arm will stay stable and won't even move. This is the power of the mind working alongside what you tell yourself. When faced with difficulty, tell yourself that you can and see exactly what you are capable of doing.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.